Hello, again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck the Cup box break number 14. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So on the box is any 221 327 251. That's any 221 327 251. Here you go. Good luck, everybody. Start the base card for the Islanders of Thomas Vanek, 236 out of 249. Patch auto rookie, 51 out of 249 of Emerson Ian for the Ducks. And honorable numbers, 5 out of 34 for the Red Wings of Peter Mrazek. And autographed rookie gold, 4 to 25 for the Predators of Seth Jones. Good Cup Foundations jersey card for the Stars of Eric Lindros, 9 out of 25. And then we finish off with signature patches, 19 out of 75 for the Red Wings of Johan Franzen. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.